I don't really know how I feel about my bangs. Let's just roll it. Okay. So thank you so much. Everybody, so today I am back with another video, and I haven't actually done a sit down video in ages, so I'm really excited to be able to talk to you face to face. And I've cut my bangs. For those of you who don't enjoy watching my vlogs, I've cut my bangs. So today I'm actually filming a haul video. So this video is in collaboration with Junkyard, so thank you Junkyard. So thank you so much to Junkyard for sending me these products, because I absolutely love their website. Everything is just so my style, so I normally shop off there anyway. They didn't pay me to say this, I'm just giving you my honest opinion on everything. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when I upload my videos, and yeah, I upload every Wednesday and every Sunday. So I guess we should start with the first piece, which is the top that I'm wearing right now. I adore this top. It's got a little stain on it because I've been wearing it constantly since I got it. I really love it. It's just an Adidas like sweatshirt with this really lovely colour. They have it in other colours as well. I will be linking all of these products down below. It's just super comfy. I have literally been living in it and I think it looks really nice, so that's the first thing. Am I in focus? I should be in focus. I'm using my new lens at my dad's. I've never used it here before. The next thing I got, I was actually wearing in an Instagram picture, but I didn't really show the logo on it. So it is just this yellow Thrasher top, and I love Thrasher, or Trasher, I think it's Thrasher. Thrasher. Yeah, I don't really skate, but I mean, who cares really? If you're one of these people that are like, do you even skate, bro? I'm like, bitch, I ride a penny board. I mean, I used to, so it's got to count for something, right? No, but I really like this brand. I think it looks cool, and yellow is like one of my favorite colors, so I thought it was perfect and so me to get a yellow Thrasher top. I really like it. This is from the men's section, but I got it in a small and it's just a little bit oversized, so if you want it even more oversized, then I'd recommend getting a medium, but this is just like the right amount, I think, and I'm normally like a small or an extra small. So next one I got, I haven't actually worn yet, but this is just the same one but with the flames. I think it's really cool. Looks like that. I've got the label on, and I also got this one in a small. So yeah, they're just really good quality comfy t-shirts that look really nice tucked into mum jeans or just any other jeans really. Just a really casual top. I like it. It just says Thrasher magazine. Next thing I got was a pair of black mum jeans, and I wanted a pair that fit like good for so long, because as you know, I have got another pair of black mum jeans, but they're so baggy around like the front, like the waist area, so I don't really think they're flattering at all. So I thought I'd try these out, and I actually love Junkyard's jeans. This is Junkyard's own like brand. It says Junkyard there. They have like measuring, so you can measure your size, and I think I'm normally a 26 in trousers, but when I was measuring these it was 25, so I got a 25, and they were quite snug in the beginning, but to be honest they do like alter the more you wear them. Yeah, they did look very small, but now that I've worn them a bit, they fit like a lot nicer. So they look like that, and I just absolutely love the fit of these. And if you're a short girl like me, I definitely recommend buying Junkyard trousers, because these just fit me perfectly. Like, I don't even have to roll them up if I don't want to. So they're just normal black mum jeans. They're meant to be like loose fit. They're not that loose fitting on me, probably because I got them in such a small size. The next item I got was, actually I was kind of really excited but also kind of scared because it was a very risky piece. So I got these white corduroy trousers, and I think they're so cute, and these are also from Junkyard's XX brand, and these ones I got in an extra small, and they are quite tight, but I feel like this will be the same thing. If I wear them a lot, then they will like stretch out a bit, if you know what I mean. So they're corduroy, they're very soft, and they're kind of like flared out at the end, which I really like, and they fit me perfectly as well, and I think these are really cool. I'm so excited to style them. Like, I'm not quite sure how to yet, but I think they look good with quite a lot of things, so I really like them. If you want me to include these in a lookbook video, let me know. So yeah, they look like this. I really like them. You'll see how they look in the trans section. Oh my god, this last thing is one of my favorite things. Honestly, I'm in love with this. So this is a black denim jacket, and I don't own a black denim jacket, so I was like, I have to get one. Especially now for spring, I think they would look really cute. I'll be able to wear this soon because the best thing about it is that it's got fluff inside, so I think that is just amazing. If you live in a colder climate like I do in Sweden, then I think this would be great for like an autumn and a spring jacket because it's got fluff inside. I don't know if you can see that there, but it has got fluff on the whole of the inside. There you go. It's from the brand Dr. Denim, and they make really good jeans and stuff, so this is super good quality, and it's like really heavy as well, which kind of shows how good quality it is. And at the back it just looks like that, and it's got this fluffy like neck thing. I mean, I'm not good with words. And the sleeves were a tiny bit too long for me because I did get this in a small instead of an extra small, just because I like my jean jackets to be a little bit bigger rather than tight, so I did have to roll the sleeves up a little bit. And on the front it's just got pockets, and I like that they've got buttons that you just plop like that rather than the ones with the holes that you have to like put a button through. You know what I'm talking about. So the last piece I'm going to show you I actually got a while ago, and this wasn't sent to me. I actually got these myself, but they're also from Junkyard, from their XX brand, and this just proves again how much I absolutely love their jeans. Like, I'll probably keep on buying jeans from them forever because I like them so much. But these are a really nice style. I actually got these on Black Friday, and I showed you these in a vlog, I think. Yeah, definitely. But these are just like mum jeans, this colour, and they are also flared out. They make your butt look so good, and these are high-waisted, and so are the black skinny jeans are high-waisted, and the corduroy ones are kind of high-waisted, but they're not that high-waisted. So yeah, I just absolutely love the colour and the style of these. And then the other day my Beauty Bay package came, finally, and I got one skincare product that I just want to show you quick. So this is the thing I got from Beauty Bay, and I searched to try and see if it was cruelty-free, but I couldn't really find it anywhere. So I'm just giving it the benefit of the doubt, which I really probably shouldn't do. So I don't know. But this is Pig Nose Clear Blackhead Steam Starter, and this is from Holika, which is a Korean skincare brand. So I thought I'd try it out because I do have quite a lot of blackheads on my nose, and I can't believe they call it pig nose. That is kind of like triggering. No, okay. But this is how it looks. I just thought the packaging was super cute. I just thought I'd show you it. I mean, I'll probably try it out in a vlog. If you want me to do that, then leave it as a comment down below. Now I'm gonna go and film my 100k giveaway. I'm so excited. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it wasn't the longest. I hope it gave you some inspiration for the spring. I know a lot of these things are like kind of warm clothes for the spring for a lot of you, because I know a lot of you live in America and like California where it's hot, but I live in Scandinavia where it's freaking Antarctis. I don't even know if that's how you say it, but it's cold. It's cold, there's snow outside. I want the spring now. I'm kind of stuck for video ideas, and I'm kind of like stuck for what I want my content to be. I want to do more real videos with you guys because I know I love real videos, like, but I also like funny, entertaining videos, and I don't feel like the videos I make are very funny or entertaining. That's maybe just not me. I'm not very funny as a person, but I want to film more serious videos. And I know a lot of you said that I should film the feminism video, but leave me comments asking me questions down below because I don't know what to like talk about, but I'll figure it out. I mean, I just need to, I've got a lot going on right now. Okay, I love you all so much, and if you aren't already subscribed, click that subscribe button down below. And if my videos aren't popping up in your subscription boxes, YouTube has done this weird thing where it's changed your subscriptions to be like highlights, so you'll need to, I'll insert a picture because I don't know really what I'm talking about right now, but you need to like go to the YouTube and like change it so you don't only see highlight. I think you need to change it to most recent or something like that. I don't know, probably all of the YouTubers you follow have probably already said that, so I don't feel like I need to say it too. So I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I ain't got time for you, baby. Either you're mine or you're not. Make up your mind, sweet baby. I've been trying to